Now, let's take a moment to reinforce the exercise through this specific center tilt training technique. Tilt, tilt, tilt. Just keep tilting. Now, tilt the camera just a little to the side. Tilt. Next, exactly the same here. Tilt. Tilt. And from this side, you need to go here so that from here, it's going to be uncomfortable. From here to here. No. So at this stage, we leave it like this. We've carefully set a specific point for ourselves. We set it, then we heated it up, and finally tilted it just right. Here as well. Heated it up. When using this sharp chisel, we are not going to cut all the way through the material. Make sure to thoroughly clean the intersection of the unit at the very end. 1. This is number 2. Exactly. You need to make the notch even sharper if you want. Just carefully even it all out. So we can work on the secondary part. But you have to be very careful because chips can occur. And for this reason, it's best to avoid these secondary cuts and cleanups because a lot of chips can form and it will get messy. That is exactly why your cutting tool should always be kept as sharp as humanly possible, with absolutely no burrs on the edge so that the blade moves freely through the material. I'm showing you first of all the different options. These various options are specifically designed and referred to as technically and comprehensively equipping you with advanced techniques. This is because, based on the findings from the NARD project, becoming fully proficient in all of these various techniques can help you in a wide variety of different ways throughout your life. Very gently. And now for the very last one. Here it is. Optional. These specific parts, these exact parts, right over here, you need to emphasize the outer edges. And there is actually even more to see. Simplified actions. 1. As you can see, there are 2 of them right here. Let's stop right here. Number one. The number 2. Let's stop right here. These are just standard general cuts. Right here, it actually looks just like a beautiful blooming flower. So it turns out exactly like this. And then right here, you clean it up carefully and carry it all the way out. Go ahead and very confidently proceed to make 2 of these specific types of precise cuts. You will see that it really is just as simple and straightforward as that. Actions. Starting with 1 and then 2. The specific number 3.
Sure. 3.
We thoroughly clean everything up, exactly accordingly. Right here, because the tips are going to need to be trimmed just a little bit. Your gouge chisel should be prepared in such a way that you can cut like this.